Hello everyone, welcome to Stripe Grid. Today we will be looking at how to get a gold frame around your picture in Canva. So this is a Canva premium account, but you can do this in Canva free as well. I'll let you know how to figure out which is usable frame or not. So to do that, we have a very simple picture. We'll be using this for our example. And in here on the left hand side, you will find a menu which states elements. So click on elements and there you need to search gold frame as I have searched it already. So once you click this, if you see here, there are these icons which have a crown in it and also the word pro. So this is included with the pro subscription. And if you don't have the subscription, just click on see all, and whichever frame does not have the crown icon is the one which can be used in free Canva account. So let's use this one, which is somewhat related to gold frame, and now you can adjust the picture based on the frame. So the only drawback about this Canva frames is you actually cannot extend it based on the size of your picture, because if you see, the picture which we had was a vertical picture like this. So now the frame won't get adjusted in the same fashion because it maintains the aspect ratio, which is, by that I mean that if you increase or decrease the width or height, everything else falls in the same dimension, so it remains same. So that's the only drawback of the golden frame. And if you see here the magic recommendations, these are all free. So what you can actually do to make it a bit more beautiful, let's adjust this for now to make it look like a gold frame, and you can add some props like this here and there to make it more beautiful. And the more things you click or the more things you add on, it gives you more recommendations, and you can see that from here. So that's it guys, this is how you get a gold frame in Canva. So thank you for watching.